Hi, I'm Matt Adams, Product Line Manager with VIAVI Solutions, and I'm here with our test portfolio for optical connector manufacturing. Let's take a closer look at our three key solution elements: fiber inspection, fiber cleaning, and performance testing. In the middle, we have our FV family of inspection tools, which include the new VIAVI 2030 for automated wide field of view contamination control visualization, which now partners up with an industry standard, the VIAVI 2400 for high-resolution IEC pass-fail. At the end, we have Clean Blast Pro, an automated cleaning solution at a push of a button. And finally, our MAP series insertion loss and return loss meters, a family of solutions for laboratory, production, and qualification testing with the precision to deliver on next generation insertion loss and return loss requirements. From a customer's perspective, the benefits are obvious: ensuring quality, efficiency through the production floor, yield, performance are all improved by these three tools working together in a synchronous and efficient way. For more information on our portfolio of optical manufacturing solutions, visit viavisolutions.com.